So I got this cosmetic travel bag and it is black in color, but they have four different colors and the handle is very sturdy, well made. This is a large capacity makeup bag that you can store a ton of things in. Let me open it up and show you how big it is. So it comes really well packaged, and as you can see, once I remove the packaging, you can see how large it is, and the zipper allows you to open it up in a 180 degrees design, and it has a ton of compartments that you can put things in it. This is a waterproof makeup bag. It's very easy to clean and you can put a lot of stuff. Even this is my toothbrush, and the container is quite large because it's an electric toothbrush, and you can see I can put large size items in it. And even my jewelries, I have another compartment that I can use to put it. It gives you that sophisticated look, and this gives you a good long-term usage, and you can have easy access to everything that you need. So I love the fact that once I'm done putting everything in, I can close it up. You see how large it is? So because of the 180 degrees design, it is easy for me to close it up without things spilling over. And once I close it up like that, I am ready to go. This just give me a new level of travel and gives me that sophistication I need in my travel luggages. I absolutely love this bag.